Holy shit. Miss K, he's here. He's here. He's here. He's here. Oh my god, the caller, Miss K. The wolf is here. The wolf is here. Heading into town.
Thomas Rhett and Marry Me.
Oh good, look at him. Where is he?
Fuck. Golfer Bill Haas
There he is. There he is.
was riding.
He's looking at me.
And rolled in Los
I'm
Angeles
shaking. The wolf is in Chester, you
Now,
guys.
Ferrari clipped an SUV driven by actor Luke
He's so
Wilson
big.
before colliding with a BMW. The unidentified driver
Look how close he is to
Ferrari died.
Feather River Drive and
So
houses.
Haas was set to play in the Genesis Open this weekend, has since withdrawn from the tournament to recover.
He's running away. Oh my god, look at him go. He's so fast. Where'd he go? Oh my god, he's hiding. Oh, there he goes. I didn't get a damn picture.